Today, we're taking a quick look at the brand new Longines Spirit Pilot in 39mm, a refined, time-only version of Longines' popular aviation-inspired line. The design is familiar, but more compact and wearable. The stainless steel case now measures 39mm in diameter, just 11.5mm thick, with a shorter 47.2mm lug-to-lug for better ergonomics. It's still rugged, with a screw-down crown, 100 meters of water resistance, and a solid caseback secured with screws. The big change is on the dial. Longines has cleaned things up. No date window, no 5-star logo. Instead, you get a crisp, time-only layout with the chronometer officially certified text at 6 o'clock. The matte black dial pairs beautifully with applied gold-tone numerals and hands, while the refined railroad minute track keeps things precise and legible. Inside, the watch runs on the Longines exclusive caliber L888.4, based on the ETA 2892. It beats at 3.5 Hz, packs a silicone hairspring for anti-magnetism, a solid 72-hour power reserve, and of course, it's COSC certified for accuracy. You can choose it on a steel bracelet with micro-adjust clasp for €2,950, a brown leather strap for €2,700, or a green textile-style rubber strap for €2,600. All feature Longines' quick change system for easy swapping. The Longines Spirit Pilot 39mm is cleaner, slimmer, and more versatile. A perfect everyday pilot's watch with Swiss chronometer precision. Would you go bracelet, leather, or rubber on this one? Drop your choice in the comments below.